The Irbis system is a trap monitoring system for fast response times in all environments. In this video, I describe animal trap monitoring in a research study in a remote area. We'll see how the Irbis system takes the hassle out of monitoring and ensures animal welfare. Here we see a drawing of a remote mountainous area where a trapping study is underway. There's no mobile phone coverage here, and the only infrastructure is a gravel track. Two field staff are based at a field camp. They have placed traps in two areas, one near the field camp and one on the other side of the hills. In each trap area there are several traps. Each trap is connected to a radio transmitter with its own unique frequency. The trap transmitter is always on, and its signal changes when something is trapped. Field staff can monitor the traps without visiting them by using a radio receiver with a handheld antenna. The radio signals from the near trap area can be heard at camp, but the signals from the far area are blocked by the hills. Our staff have to climb a hill to monitor all their traps. This is a typical situation in mountainous and forested areas. Field studies are often manned by just a few staff, and traps need to be monitored at regular intervals, both day and night. Trap monitoring is both tiring and a threat to the health and safety of our field staff. When an animal is trapped, the trap transmitter immediately changes its signal to indicate the trapping. But no one is listening. The trapping isn't noticed until the next trap check. The person who did the trap check goes back to camp to pick up a colleague and some equipment and then head out to the trap. If the trap check interval is 3 hours and preparations and travel take up to an hour, a trapped animal may have to wait up to 4 hours until it's taken care of. So checking the traps often is good for the animals but causes poor working conditions for the field staff. Checking traps less often is better for the field staff, but worse for the health and welfare of trapped animals. They may freeze, overheat, become stressed, injure themselves if trying to break free, and even die. So with manual trap monitoring, there's a choice between the welfare of animals and the safety and well-being of field staff. But with the Irbis system, you don't have to make this choice. You get both good animal welfare and happy field staff. Let's have a look at how this works. The system consists of two separate stations. The listening station is placed where trap signals can be heard. It listens to each trap signal from a pre-programmed list in turn, making sure that it can hear each trap before it moves to the next. A second station, the base station, is placed at the field camp. There's a two-way wireless communication link between the two stations. When a trap is triggered, this is detected by the listening station within a few minutes. It sends an alarm message to the base station, where a siren is activated and an alarm message is shown to the staff. The siren is loud enough to wake up a sleeping person. Field staff can now proceed to handle the capture without delay. Irbis Tech is based in Gothenburg, Sweden. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us to see if the Irbis system is right for you. For more information, have a look at our other video. Thanks for watching.